guys, welcome to our first video. My name is Vikas. I'm the co-founder of Headwest Migration Services. Today we're going to talk about the IELTS exam, International English Language Testing System. Now, are you looking to migrate to Canada, Australia, or are you looking to go abroad for studies? Guys, one thing is in common, IELTS exam. Are you prepared enough? Have you got all the resources you need to score that 7+ band strategy? We've developed a magical platform, guys. It has all the resources you need, some mock tests, live classes, everything. We're going to teach you each and everything. The link is in the description, and keep watching the video till the end. We'll offer you a 7 days free trial, and we'll be there with you through the journey. So guys, I've already typed elearning.headwestmigration.com. All you have to do is just type it out in the search bar and then start browsing. You will see initially you will see this thing on your screen, logo, then you have your login ID. Once you have your login ID and password, just put it in and login. If you don't have one, just register. So you will put the name, you're selecting a free course, so just drop it in. And if you want to go for academic, just leave out academic freemium and general freemium. Those are the old versions. The new version is IELTS general freemium 6 and IELTS academic freemium 6. So let's go with academic freemium 6. Okay, so register. So we have done the registration with Das Bharti. So we just log in. When you log in, so you'll see this screen. You'll see your credentials here. Go to my profile. You can change your password if you want a new one, and if you're happy with what you got, that's okay. Let's keep going on. So back from here, you'll see IELTS academic button out here. Just click it. It will take you to the dashboard. Now, so all the elements are displayed over here: dashboard, lesson plans, section test, mock test, progress reports, your support panel, and your live classes. Right? Now you choose what level you're on. You can then, there's a recommended plan. You can go into the plan section, view what plan you need to go on. There's a 16-week program. On the 16th week, you'll take your mock test. You can go on plan 2, and that will be 8 weeks because you're on an advanced level. It depends what level you are on. Go back, and then you go to just view the IELTS guide. If you don't know anything about IELTS, we have everything for you. So you have the test format, band descriptors, test results, book a test, everything you need to know about IELTS is there, so need not worry. So just go back to your dashboard. You have the tip of the day, so you just go on the tip of the day. You will get beautiful tip for the day to attempt in your IELTS exams, and you will ace the exam. So
hello everyone, this is the IELTS speaking test tip of the day. It's very important when you answer a question given to you by the examiner to develop it a little.
Mentor is giving you the tip of the day. Alright, so there's some glitch over there, so we'll just go back just to show you the support panel. Right, so let me show you the best things of this panel, which is the live classes option. So you can do it in the self mode, but there is the live class. We got 4 classes in a day. You can view at any time in the day. If you have done the first class, you can jump into the last class as well. So you can revise. There's a doubt clearing session on every Saturday. Every Saturday there's a doubt clearing session. Let's have a look at one of the classes. There won't be any class right now, but I'll show you one of the archived lessons. So just play the record video. How businesses can learn from customer complaints is the topic, and the class took place on the Monday, May 25th, 2020, and we are watching on 26th today. So recorded video, just go into the class. You need to have a Zoom app on your computer or your mobile. It will link you through the Zoom session. See how you can attend the whole class. Just zip through the class. I'll just keep browsing through. And beautiful. At your home, doing nothing.
Here that a vast
Attend the
majority
class.
of
You
customers
don't have to travel
are
anywhere.
often not your loyal
The teachers,
customers
trainers
and
are one of the
trying to
best in the
convey to
industry,
you where you
and you
or
get
your
all the
product have
solution
failed. By
sitting
fixing the problem of the customer
your home.
whose expectations have not been met,
Right, so that's
fixing
your
the
life class
problem
option.
means solving the
Just
problem.
go out of it. You can take the mock test. Now, one mock test is worth 13,250 rupees. That's the cost of attempting one IELTS exam. Okay, you got 6 of them, so your benefit you can calculate around $70,000, 70,000 rupees. So it's a beautiful panel which will give you the ability to take all the advantages of the system, and then you can save a lot of money. We are here to give you resources and also make your life simpler. Right, so this is your mock test. There are 6 of them. When you start, you'll start the test, and obviously you'll get the bands. So initially you'll get the bands for your reading and listening. For your writing and speaking, you will raise a ticket in the support window. You go there. There will be a support in your request. So just the evaluation request. Just type you need a speaking evaluation. Okay, and then you submit. So when you do select, obviously you're not taking any test, so it will not show you drop down. But if you have taken a test, it will show you mock test 1 or something like that, and you submit. That's your support. You can also raise a query, or you can send a feedback, and they will solve your. So there's always someone to help you out, and you're not on your own, right? Then you can see your progress report here. So you'll yet to take a test, so your progress will keep coming here. And these are sectional tests along with your mock test. These sectional tests are not timed like the mock test. These are the people who are on the leaderboard. They have taken the test, and that's how you can appear on this screen. You would like to see your name on the top. And there are 40 sectional tests, so 11 in each, actually 44, 4 for your 7-day trial. Okay, and that's your section test. In the lesson plans, you can do a lot of learning on your own. So you can do the grammar, you can do listening exercises, reading exercises, writing exercises. Just go into one of them. I'll show you how it's done. So multiple choice questions in listening. Let's go into that. But do a lesson. And
you will listen to a
go.
conversation between
So
a radio host and
there's
an
the
education
speaker who's
official.
doing the speaking,
Listen
and
to the
then
speakers and
you
answer
that.
questions 1 to
Okay,
8.
so that's
First,
simple.
you have some time to look
I'll
at.
take you back to the dashboard. Here you will get all your progress, including your sectional test and your mock test. And in the My Recent Progress, you will have the latest scores which you got in your last mock test. So guys, we've developed this system after a thorough research as to what is required in a preparation towards the 7+ band strategy or an 8-band strategy, which is take as much practice and as much use of this platform as you can, save as much money as you can, go for the mock test, go for the sectional test, take the support of the faculty, go to live classes, attend as many live classes as you can, and score. Here is the ebook which you can download. That's one of the other feature. This ebook has all the lesson plans mapped out for the entire term of your learning. At the moment it's only 90 days. because it's so at the moment it's 12 days, which will support you for 7 days. Right. Okay. So that's about for explaining what we got in the IELTS. This thing. If you've got any query regarding this, you can ping me up on info@headlessmigration.com, or you call me on 99108 61691. We also do this study applications for Canada, Australia, US, UK, and Germany. So if you have any query there, just let me know and we'll solve that for you. Keep watching our coming up videos on many topics of your use, and then we'll help you out as much as we can. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to our